Momo's eating grapefruit and it's really sour. Take a bite.
No.
Is it too sour? Too sour?
Okay, I'll try it. Okay, I'll try it. I'll see if I like it. I like it.
You do? Momo, try it.
Good, Mama.
Try it, Momo. No, thank you? Momo. Momo, why do you wake up so early?
I know.
Momo, why do you wake up so early?
I know.
You don't know?
Daddy.
Yeah?
It's John.
Jump?
You gonna jump?
Good words. Can you go put it on the table?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump!
Yes, please. Thank you.
Dane, where'd you get those gloves?
From Chicago.
Chicago?
Yeah.